My name is Zayden Yates. I'm a lube tech here at Hyundai, and I'm 18. I came here from Granbury High School over here in Granbury, and they had a program in which I came here and studied under one of the other technicians here, and I really liked how working on cars, it felt like not a job to me. It felt more like I was coming here to more of have fun than to earn money. And I hope to end up getting higher up, maybe master technician or something one of these days through the learning program that they're providing for me and everything like that.
How y'all doing? My name's Hayden Blake. I'm a mainline technician here at Schottenkirk Hyundai. I've been a technician for roughly 13 years, give or take. It's a huge passion of mine. I love working on cars. I love taking care of my customers. I think that's probably my most important thing, is taking care of my number one, which is y'all. Y'all are our number one. I promise you this, we have nothing but utmost respect and care for y'all's vehicles and for you in general. Something that I wish both parties would understand is time. It's a hard thing for us to do, is to diagnose cars. We have to look at all the possibilities. There's a lot of sensors, a lot of cables, a lot of management. There's a lot of things that go into us fixing these vehicles for y'all. Cars are a lot smarter nowadays than what they ever used to be. A lot more brains inside of those computers. So it's just, if y'all can just give us a little bit of extra time to understand what it takes for us to fix these cars, I think both parties would be happier and easier